ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं वादरायणं शूद्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखीय बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद मैत्रेयी ब्राह्मण मंत्र नंबर 5 पेज नंबर 584। टीका। अमृतत्व साधनम आत्मज्ञानम विवक्षितम चेत आत्मावारे द्रष्टव्य इत्यादि वक्तव्यम। If you said Amritatva Sadhanam is Atmajnana, accepted. If that is the Vivaksha, Vivakshitam Chet, you should have the next mantra as Atma Vare Drashtavya Shrotavyo Mantavyo. Instead, there is another mantra, Kimiti Navare Patyu Kamaya Ityadi Vakyam. Why such mantras are there in between? Iti Ashankyaha. In भाष्य सहोवाच याज्ञवल्क्यो अमृतत्व साधनम वैराग्यम उपदिदिक्षु जायापति पुत्रादिभ्यो विरागम उत्पादयति तत्सन्यासाय। Yes, Atmajnanam is sadhanam for Amritatvam. For Atmajnanam to come and work, somebody else has to do the preparation. Everything else has to be set. Then Atmajnanam will come, do its work and go. Who has to do all the other work? Vairagya. Vairagya is going to be the key factor. Before Atmajnanam, Vairagya has to come. Will do everything. Like if you want to sow some seeds, etc. Anywhere on any land you put something and expect something will grow, nothing will come. Something may come if it is already done somewhere, sometime by someone. But otherwise nothing will grow. So you have to properly till the land, prepare everything nicely, make it ready, then the seeds will do their work. Similarly, in case of cooking, the master chef, you have seen master chef, they come, they don't do anything too much. Everything is ready, all containers are there, they'll just put this, that, over. And they will leave everything. Everything else, somebody else has to do. Vairagya is the one. Vairagyam, so anywhere, see, before Jnana mantra, Vairagya mantras will come. Or after Jnana mantra, immediately they will talk about Vairagya. That all this will work in case if you have Vairagya, otherwise not. Vairagyam upadidikshu. Upadidikshu is who? Yajnavalkya. Upadeshtum ichchuhu. Vairagya from what? Jaya, Pati, Putra, Adibhya. So this is a sequence. Jaya, or for Pati it is from Patni. For Patni it is from Pati. And Putra. Then Vitta. Then everything else. Adibhyo Vairagya. Vairagya is not there. Vedanta will say better luck next time. Viragam utpadayati. Why? Tat sannyasaya. So that sannyasa, Vairagya means actual sannyasa, letting go of everything. टीका उवाच याज्ञवल्क्य उवाच स होवाच याज्ञवल्क्य उवाच जायादीनाम् आत्मार्थत्वेन प्रियत्वम् जायादीनाम् आत्मार्थत्वेन प्रियत्वम् आत्मश्च अनौपाधिक प्रियत्वेन परमानंदत्वम् इति शेषः. Jayadi, they are dear for one's own sake. Jayadinam atmarthatvena priyatvam. They are dear because they are dear for me. I am important. Priyatvam. Atma atmanahcha anaupadhika priyatvena. Atma is Paramananda Swarupa, Paramanandatvam. And therefore, aupadhika priyatvam is not there. Anaupadhika priyatvam is there. Iti Shesha. See the mantra now. Sahovacha नवा अरे पत्युः कामाय पति प्रियो भवत्यात्मनस्तु कामाय पति प्रियो भवति नवा अरे जायायै कामाय जाया प्रिया भवत्यात्मनस्तु कामाय जाया प्रिया भवति नवा अरे पुत्राणां कामाय पुत्राः प्रिया भवन्त्यात्मनस्तु कामाय पुत्राः प्रिया भवन्ति नवा अरे वित्तस्य कामाय वित्तं प्रियं भवत्यात्मनस्तु कामाय वित्तं प्रियं भवति नवा अरे ब्रह्मणः कामाय ब्रह्म प्रियं भवत्यात्मनस्तु कामाय ब्रह्म प्रियं भवति नवा अरे क्षत्रस्य कामाय क्षत्रं प्रियं क्षत्रम इट शुड बी क्षत्यम नहीं क्षत्रं प्रियं भवत्यात्मनस्तु कामाय क्षत्रं प्रियं भवति नवा अरे लोकानां कामाय लोकाः प्रिया भवन्त्यात्मनस्तु कामाय लोकाः प्रिया भवन्ति नवा अरे देवानां कामाय देवाः प्रिया भवन्त्यात्मनस्तु कामाय देवाः प्रिया भवन्ति नवा अरे भूतानां कामाय भूतानि प्रियाणि भवन्त्यात्मनस्तु कामाय भूतानि प्रियाणि भवन्ति नवा अरे सर्वस्य कामाय सर्वं प्रियं भवत्यात्मनस्तु कामाय सर्वं प्रियं भवति आत्मा वा अरे द्रष्टव्यः श्रोतव्यो मंतव्यो निदिध्यासितव्यो मैत्रेय्यात्मनो वा अरे दर्शनेन श्रवणेन मत्या विज्ञानेनेदं सर्वं विदितम्. नवा अरे Patyuhu Kamaya. He starts with Pati because he is addressing Patni. So he says, Patyuhu Kamaya Pati na priyo bhavati. Pati is not dear because of his sake. Kamaya means prayojanaya. Patyuhu prayojanaya patihi na priyo bhavati. Atmanah prayojanaya patihi priyo bhavati. Atma is the prayojana. Pati is not the prayojana. So, in other words, who is the beneficiary? I am the beneficiary. It is for me, I want something. Pati. Navare jaya kamaya. Jaya is not the prayojana. Atmanastu kamaya. Atma is the prayojana for priyatva. Atmanastu kamaya jaya priya bhavati. So, this is the order. Pati, then Patni, means in case of Stri, it is Pati Pati. Is it in case of Purusha, it is Patni Pati. Only one of them is going to be there. Nava are putranam kamaya putraha priya bhavanti. Then putra, that is another very dear thing. So putras are not dear for their prayojanam. They are dear for my prayojanam. Atmanastu kamaya putraha priya bhavanti. So when they give Sukham, there is not much Vyakhya in Bhashya because it is understood. In the Laukika Vichara, you have to do elaborate thinking on all these things. Then there is Vairagya. When there is Vairagya, See, those who are Mahatmas, those who none of these things, neither Jaya nor Patni, nor Pati nor Putra. So, how much elaboration? They have already understood this, they have given up everything, they are sitting here. Those who are in the world, then you go on elaborating this happened, that happened, some story, some Purana Katha. You need all of that. So, here we don't need to do that Vistara. But those who have to have Vairagya, they have to understand all these things. Arya Bibhyati Tasmin Kaya. In Bhajagovindam, that shloka is there. यावत् पवनो निवसति देहे वार्तां पृच्छति कुशलम गेहे गतवति वायौ देहा पाये भार्यां बिभ्यति तस्मिन् भार्या बिभ्यति तस्मिन्. That is the shloka. And then putradapi dhana bhajam bhiti sarvatra. So the putra also, whether it is patni who can have bhaya from pati, if that pati is yavat pavano nivasati dehe, as long as the pranas are going on, then bhaya from that also, that this body has to be removed now. Similarly, putradapi dhana bhaj, those who have dhanam, they have bhaya from such putra also. And vittam, so only that much is needed just to do everything. Unnecessary vittam is not required. It's pratibandhakam. What is given in Ramayana, where Sugriva tells Ramchandra ji, all these are Ram Bhajan ke badhak. All of them are badhak. I don't have Ramayana here, so. No, that is Vibhishan Gita. No, this Sugriva does second Sharanagati to Ramchandra ji that time. After Putra, Navare Vittasya Kamaya Vittam Priyam Bhavati. Atmanasu Vitta is dear for Atma Prayojana. Brahmanas, Kshatriyas. Now Brahma and Kshatra. Brahmana, Kshatriya, they are also dear because of one's own sake. So Brahmanas, if they are there, I feed them, I will get some punya. I do some seva, I will get some punya, like that. Kshatriyas, they are good because sometime I need protection, Kshatriyas will protect me. Like that, somebody may have understanding. So therefore, Kshatrasya kamaya kshatram na priyam bhavati, atmanastu kamaya kshatram priyam. Then lokaha. Lokaha means any loka, any place of stay, etc. Namare lokanam kamaya lokaha priya bhavanti, atmanastu kamaya. If that place is suitable, then you stay there. If it is not suitable, then place doesn't have importance. Navare devana, even devatas. There are people, they go to some devata, they take some anushthanam, some mantra they chant. Phalam they don't get. Then they change the devata, they go to another mandir, they start doing. And then Shani devata, they start worshipping. Atmanastu kamaya devaha priya bhavanti. Atma is the prayojana. Bhutanam, bhuta means like if somebody has a dog or cat or something. Bhuta means anybody. Navare bhutanam kamaya bhutani. Because you see, Jaya, Pati, Putra, all of that is already covered. So then bhuta means other bhuta, other things. Navare bhutanam kamaya bhutani priyani bhavanti. Atmanastu kamaya bhutani priyani bhavanti. Every day morning, those who need Vairagya, they should chant these shlokas only. Other chanting may help, may not help. This, if you understand and chant, definitely you will get Vairagya. Yes? Because it is telling you the fact. This is how it is. Navare sarvasya kamaya sarvam priyam bhavat. Vairagya doesn't mean you have to start hating people around you, but Vairagya means you understood that really speaking, I have been doing only for Atma Prayojana. Navare sarvasya kamaya sarvam priyam bhavati. Is dear for its own prayojana. Atmanastu kamaya sarvam priyam bhavati. Everything is dear because Atma is Paramananda Swarupa. So then what should we do? Atma va are drashtavya. You should know Atma. Drashtavya means jnanarthaka dhatu. Drishi prekshane is for pratyaksha also. So you should understand, you should do pratyaksha of Atma. Means you should know Atma. So this is connection to Atmetyovapasita, what was given in Vidya Sutra, that is now elaborated. What is the sadhana for this Atma Jnanam? Shrotavyo, Mantavyo, Nididhyasitavyo. Maitreyi. Shravanam, Mananam and Nididhyasanam, they are the sadhana for Jnanam. Atmanah, are is Sambodhana. Atma's Jnanam you should have. For that Jnanam, Shravanadi are sadhanam. Nididhyasanam means you have to do Chintanam. Yesterday I told you, Hyai Chintayam is the dhatu. Nididhyasanam, that Chintanam should be Sajatiya, means continuous. Atma Chintanam. Now you see the next part in the mantra and look at the previous Vakya. You can map it. Atma va are is given. Next line says Atmano va are. Atmanaha darshanena. Drashtavya is given, so darshanena. Shrotavya means Shravanena. Mantavya means online students. Matya. Mantavya is Matya. And then Nididhyasitavya is not Dhyana. Vijnana. Everywhere Nididhyasanam in general we should see the translation meditation. But original mantra of the Upanishad says Nididhyasitavya means Vijnanena. So when we don't study Brahadaranyaka, then Nididhyasitavya, Nididhyasanam means meditation. Nididhyasanam means knowledge. Vijnana. Aparoksha Vijnanam. Is this clear to everybody?
Yes, Swamiji.
Yes, Swamiji. Yes, Swamiji.
Vijnanena sarvam viditam. By this, everything will be. So then again that sarvajnatva pratignya is also there. Sarvam viditam syat. Everything will be known. 1 number tippani. Some Vartik Sara, Vartikas are given and Vartik, Brahat Vartik is also given. Avicharena putradau ya pritistam vicharatah atmanyevopasamhritya chittaikagryam vivarthayet. Avicharena putradau ya pritihi. Without proper thinking, whatever priti I have in putra, vitta, jaya, ityadi, ityadi, when I do vichara, so as I said, every day morning you chant this means, every day morning you will do vichara. Tam vicharatah Atmani eva upasambhritya. Then upasamhara of that priti will happen in Atma. That really speaking, it is for me only. I am doing everything. It is not for this, that, anyone. Atmanastu kama. So Atmani eva upasamhritya chitta ekagriyam vivardhayet. Your chitta ekagrata will grow through this. Then what is the use of this ekagrata? Aikagriyam achalam kritva nididhyasana karanam आत्मा द्रष्टव्य इत्येतत् सूत्रम व्याख्यातुमाददे. उपजा ज्ञान वचन तब बोला, कहीं है कृपान मन भयउ अलोला. सुख संपत्ति परिवार बढ़ाई सब परिहरि पर होई करिहऊं सेवकाई. सब परिहरि करिहऊं सेवकाई. ये सब राम भगति के बाधक. किष्किंधा कांड. उपजा ज्ञान वचन, दिस इज सुग्रीव. What is it? Sukha, Sampati, Parivar. If you get worldly Sukham, you will forget Bhagavan. If you get Sampati, any kind, Laukik Sampati, name, fame, something, you will forget Bhagavan. It is easy to forget Bhagavan. Let's put it that way. Parivar. So many people are there, these, that, in doing all of that, there is no time for Paramatma. And Badai. Badai means you get bigger position, etc. Then you think, I only have accomplished everything. What is the role of Bhagavan? मैं ही all करता धरता. सब परिहरि करिहऊं सेवकाएं. Everything I will give up. Give up. That's what he said. Okay, see the tippani. Aikagriyam achalam kritva. When that ekagrata happens, then nididhyasana karanam. आत्मा द्रष्टव्य इति एतत् सूत्रम व्याख्यातुम आददे. आत्मा वारे द्रष्टव्य, this is सूत्र, means this is same as आत्मेत्योपासित. Its व्याख्या he takes up now. आत्मा प्रत्यक प्रसिद्धे स्यात् तत्रैवात्मानुभूतितः इति प्रमेय निर्देशो द्रष्टव्य इति तत्प्रमा. आत्मा प्रत्यक प्रसिद्ध है. आत्मा इज प्रत्यक प्रसिद्ध स्यात् तत्रैव आत्मानुभूतितः. देयर इटसेल्फ आत्मानुभूति will happen. So प्रमेय is आत्मा. इति प्रमेय निर्देशो. द्रष्टव्य is the prama. द्रष्टव्य means you should have prama for this prameya. Which prameya? Atma. What is that Atma? Pratyak Prasiddha. Atma buddhiriyam tavat sarvesham jayate swatah अप्राप्ता सर्वमात्मेति सैवातो धीर विधीयते. आत्मबुद्धि ही इयम तावत सर्वेषां जायते स्वतः. In all of them, आत्मबुद्धि happens. This is, if not aham, mama buddhi. In all of them, सर्वेषां स्वतः जायते. अप्राप्ता सर्वम आत्मा इति सैवातो धीर विधीयते. सर्वम आत्मा धी अप्राप्ता. What is he saying? In everything, Atma is all. Yeah, I am all. This buddhi swatah sarvesham aprapta. In yatkinchit vastu, this is mine, such buddhi can come. But in all, aham sarvam, this buddhi doesn't come. That's why there is vidhanam, vidhiyate. Vidhanam is what is aprapta. So, iyam atma buddhi sarvesham swatah tavat aprapta. If you say jayate anvaya, if you do, then sarvesham, it can happen, but right now it is aprapta. In this way, you have to take sarvesham jayate, guna. Therefore, Shruti does vidhanam, that this is tavya pratyaya. Somebody had a question about tavya pratyaya vidhanam. In Nishkarma Siddhi also that topic came here also. Now you see this tippani. Tavya pratyaya is for what? Ajnata jnapanam tavya pratyayena abhidhiyate. Tavya pratyaya, because drashtavya, shrotavyo, mantavyo, tavya pratyaya is for ajnata jnapanam. Atma is not known, it will become known. Atma as sarva, because at the end it is said, sarvam viditam, everything known. So that way, Atma is not known. Tavya pratyaya is for this. Avritta pravritya nyaya bhavan yujyate. Sadharanatha, tavya pratyaya can be also used for avritta pravritti. There where I am not pravritta, I am not engaged, engaging, I will say tavya pratyaya. Do this. This is your kartavya. So tavya pratyaya is added. But here, nyaya abha. Tavya pratyaya na yujyate. In this artha, you should not take it. So it is not for apravritta pravritti. It is for ajnata jnapanam. Tavya pratyaya. Right? This is Vidyaranya Swamiji's all these shlokas. Huh? Except for that in between two shlokas, there is Sureshwaracharya's. He gives explanation. Jnata atma vedanta janya jnanena mite iti vakya pravartanam janya jnana miyate. Ma, otherwise not. Otherwise not known means it happen that atma sarvatvena na. So Vedanta janya jnanena you will have that prama. Iti eva esho atra vakyartho. This is the vakyartha here. Na apravritta pravartanam. Not apravritta pravartanam. That is not the vakyartha here. So in this, as I was explaining in Nishkarma Siddhi also, and Prasthana has some bheda. Prasthana says there is no vidhi. Vivarana Mata says in Shravana you can take vidhi. In Drashtavya there is no vidhi. Where you have vikalpa. In Jnanam there is no vikalpa. Pramata is there, Pramana is there, Prameya is there, Jnanam will happen whether you want it or not. So vidhi is not needed. And therefore, Drashtavya doesn't have vidhi. That's what we were seeing there in Naiskarmya Siddhi, same topic. And it is not Apurva Vidhi. Then what are the possibilities? Niyama Parisankhya. Niyama Vidhi is where most of the students here are attending that. But anyway, just understand, Niyama Vidhi is where there are Vikalpa. Niyamaha Pakshike Sati. So when there are two Pakshas, you can do this or that, then Niyama, somebody will give you Niyama. Like Tusha Vidalanam, Nakhena also you can do, or Avaghata by pounding. So you say you have to do through pounding only in this. This is Niyama Vidhi. And Parisankhya Drashtanta, those who have studied Artha Sangraha, they will know. We have seen all this elaborately in Artha Sangraha. Panchanakha Bhakshya, that is the Drashtanta for Parisankhya Vidhi. That they will restrict the area, that only this much is allowed. So in that, the objective is not in saying you should do this. Objective is saying you should not do it. So they tell these 5 animals alone you can eat. And those 5 animals, they will give such names that to get them also is difficult, and to eat them also is probably difficult. Shallaki, Shashaki, Godha, Khadgi. One more is there. Kachua, the turtle. So these 5 you can eat. Who will eat all these things? And in that, monkey is not given. So that Wali chanted this to Bhagavan after it. He said this is not allowed. That is why this group became prasiddha. Ityeva yesho atra vakyartho na apravritta pravartanam. But Bhagavan has his answers. Bhagavan says, I am not going to eat you. I have killed you so that you get moksha. How about that? So then he says, Bhagavan, you are right. I thought prayojanam is something else. This is much bigger prayojanam. Bhagavan Gati, people don't know, They think some small prayojanam is there. Okay, a little bit more is there in the Tippani. Atma Shabdarthamaha Atma iti. Prati Atma Shabdasya Prasiddhim Sadayati Tatra. Tatra iti. It is there in the Vartika actually. They have given the different. You see that shloka, 3rd line in the Tippani, Atma Pratyak Prasiddhehe Syat Tatra Iva, that Tatra. Vachyartham Uktva Vivakshitam Aha Iti Iti. Atma Drashtavya Iti. Everybody found what I am reading?
Yes, Swamiji.
3rd line in the Tippani, that is the, because you see, after first 2 shlokas, you have to do all these exercises. I am just explaining. Va Sa is given, 25, 26. Then Va is given, 95, 96. Then Va Sa is given, 28, 29. So first 2, they have quoted Vartik Sar. Then Vartika. Then Vartik Sar again. Then the explanation which is there is on Vartika. That is Anand Giriji's Tika on Vartika. On Vartika Sar also somebody has commented. I have that tika, but it is not elaborate, very brief. At least Anand Giriji has written little more. So this explanation is Anand Giriji's explanation on Vara, not on Vara. प्रतीच्य आत्मनि प्रमेय वैदिकं दर्शनम ज्ञानम इति एतदत्र विवक्षितम् अर्थः. In आत्मा दर्शन ज्ञान वैदिक ज्ञान. Okay. Now see the टीका. प्रतीकमादाय व्याचष्टे नवा इति. In भाष्य नवै. वै शब्द है प्रसिद्ध स्मरण. वै शब्द इज फॉर प्रसिद्ध स्मरण. दिस इज वेरी वेल नोन. किं तन् निपातेन स्मार्यते. तत् निपात. व्हाट आर द निपातस? दिस वा इज द निपात. तन् निपातेन किं स्मार्यते इज प्रसिद्ध. इज वेरी वेल नोन. व्हाट दैट पत्युः कामाय पति न प्रयोग. प्रसिद्धम एव एतत् लोके. पत्युः भर्तुः कामाय प्रयोजनाय जायायाः पतिः प्रियो न भवति. किं तर्हि आत्मनस्तु कामाय प्रयोजनाय एव भार्यायाः पति प्रियो भवति. It is not for bhartu prayojana, not for the sake of pati, but आत्मनस्तु कामाय प्रयोजनाय एव भार्यायाः पतिः प्रियो भवति. And that's why when something is not giving joy, let's say they give dukkham, then somebody says, now I don't want. Food also is very good, you eat. And when doctor says, now you have to stop this, stop that, then you only look at it and let go. Like Naivedyam, Devatas, they don't eat, they just see. Like that you become. So people think he's giving up everything. He's not giving up anything. He doesn't have choice. Prasiddham. Yathokte krame niyamakam aha. Now why you give in this sequence? That first Pati priyo bhavati, then Jaya priya bhavati, then Putra, then Vitta. So niyamakam he will give. First let us see bhashya a little bit. Tatha navare jayaya ityadi samanamanyat. This samanamanyat we saw in Sarva Vedanta Siddhanta Tika also. Samanamanyat. This is all same. Navare putranam, navare vittasya, navare brahmanah, navare kshatrasya, navare lokanam, navare devanam, navare bhutanam, navare sarvasya. All is that. Then purvam yatha asanne priti sadhane vachanam. Purvam, whatever he has given in the earlier ones. Vachanam asanne. Asanna means that which is very close, proximate. Purvam vachanam yatha asanne priti sadhane. So that's why Patni or Pati, they are very close. That's first. Then Putra. Then Vitta. Then other things. Brahmana, Kshatriya, Deva, Bhuta, these, that, all. Okay. Tika. Yad asannam priti sadhanam. Anatikramya tasmin vishaya purvam vachanam iti yojana. Whatever is asannam, what is close, tattad vishaya purva vachanam. What is not that close, later uttar vachanam. Why tatra hetumaha? Tatra ishtataratvat vairagyasya. Because you like it more, therefore you should have more vairagya. What you don't like, anyway you have vairagya. There's no need, nobody needs shastra for that. Those so many people who go to Gaya and then they say you have to give up something. Maximum people give up Kerala and those things because they anyway don't like, and they are so happy that I'll give this up and forever in my life I don't have to look and I will get punya also. No, what is dear most? Why? Because dukkham will come from there only. This is the reason. Vairagya is to prevent dukkham. We think, Vairagya is bad. Vairagya is a protection against dukkham. So if we should think of it as positive. And at the end, Nava Are Sarvasya iti Ayuktam Patyadinam Uktatvad Amshena Punarukti Prasangat. Why Sarvasya you are saying? Already Pati, etc. you said. So Punarukti dosha will come. Sarva Grahanam Ukta Anuktartham. Ukta Anuktartham. Uktavat, Tika says, Uktavat Anuktanam api Grahanam. So, like what is already explicitly said, what is not said, that you should cover in that. Uktavat Anuktanam api Grahanam, that is the Vigraha there. Ukta Anuktartham means Uktavat Anuktasya Grahanartham. ग्रहणं कर्तव्यम न च सर्वे विशेषतो ग्रहीतुं शक्यन्ते तेन सामान्यार्थं सर्वपदम इत्यर्थः. Because each explicitly will not be specified. You say now you understand like this towards everything. Sarvapadam. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashyakritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.